Hi, this is Andy Phillips from Digital Cascade, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create and publish a blog post so you can start creating some fresh content on your site. Now, you may have a full site, you may have a microsite, it doesn't really matter. You're going to have something like homepage, about us, contact, and you may have some other ones such as products or services and things like that, but the one we're going to concentrate on here is the blog, because we're going to create and publish a brand new blog post. So to get into this, what we're going to need to do is to get into the back end first, which is the content management system, the CMS at the back end. And to do that, we need to just type in something at the end of the URL. So we need to have a /, and we need to type in WP and then -admin. And the WP stands for WordPress, and we're going into the administration part of the product, and just press enter. You'll then be faced with the login screen, the WordPress login screen, and you need to put your username and password that we've given you to log into WordPress. Once you've entered your username and password, you just need to click on the login button. And that will take you to the WordPress dashboard. Now, all we need to do now to create a new blog post is to either hover over posts and click on add new. We can click into posts itself and click on the add new button. This is where we can see what posts have already been put in, what blog posts have already been done. So you can just click on the add new button. Or if you're at the front end of your site after you've logged in, you can click on the new and post. So there's 2 or 3 different ways you can get in there, but what we're going to do is we're going to go from the dashboard, go to posts and add new. And this is where we're going to be putting in our blog post. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Word document which I've actually written my blog post in, and I suggest you do the same sort of thing. If you write your blog in a Word document first, where you can spell check it and make sure the grammar's right and make sure the word count's okay. This one's 714 words, which is a long blog. You can do anything from sort of 400 words upwards, but this takes up a couple of pages on the A4 of the Word document. So that's the first thing I do. So this one's about blogging. So what I'll do as well is, because I want to make sure I optimize my blogs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about what I'm going to put into here. So if I go to Google and go to the keyword tool, and just click on, that's the Google keyword tool at the top there, and it will open up like this. Now we've got to put some words in here, but all I'm going to do right at the top here is put the primary keyword that I can think of for this, which could be could quite simply be blogging. Now I just need to put this in and click on search. This will bring up the amount of times that people have put in the word blogging or search for the word blogging on Google within a month, and this is the global, and this is my local, which is in the UK. And you can just go down here and take a little look at some of these things, at what we could use as a blog title. And we could use things, what is blogging? This has again got over 1 million searches, which we don't want. That's too many. So blogging tools, blogging for profit, blogging for beginners we could do. Let's have a little look at this one, because my blog that I'm writing is about blogging for beginners. So let's just put that in there and do a quick search. Again, take a look down here, and we're looking for something around this sort of start your own blog. I think that would be quite a good one. So we could take that, or we could go further and research this one further. And another good way of doing this in the Google keyword tool is to click on this little tag at the side and show more results. And what it will do is it will put this word, this keyword phrase, into the box at the top, which would be a primary keyword, and give you 100 more keyword ideas. So I'll show you what that does. It shows more keywords like this. So it sticks that into the top and it gives us a whole new bunch of keywords. And so you can do start up your own blog, create my own blog, creating your own blog. These are all quite good ones. Create your own blog website. So that one's got 2,000 people looking for it every single month. Starting your own blog, that's 2,900. So let's take this one. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into there. Now what I would do is I'd make sure that these were capitals. I like to have capitals on all the letters. You don't have to, you can create your own style. And what we're going to do now is we're going to copy this blog that we've written, this blog text that we've written, and I'm going to paste it in here, but I'm going to paste it on the HTML side because whenever you write something in Word, it will pick up some formatting of the text. That means it will pick up the size of the font and the type of font, and we don't want that. So we're going to put it into HTML because it won't carry any formatting across. Then we can click on the visual and that will just put it into a format which we can then manipulate. But this means we can put things like bold, underline, that sort of thing on there. But we're just going to keep it as it is right now. And I'm just going to click on publish and then view post. And that's it, your blog is published. So in essence, really all we did was put a title in and copy the text into the body and publish. So you can do that if you want. The reason why I've shown you the way we do it with the Google keywords is so you can start creating blog posts which have some chance of getting found by the search engines for specific keyword terms. So that's the way we do that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into this, and I'm just going to go into edit post, so we can click on this edit post at the top. And I'm going to do a few things, which is little tricks that we pick up over time. I'm going to copy the header, the actual title of the blog, and we're just going to go into here again. I'm going to do it in the HTML section again, just so we don't pick up any formatting, and I'm going to paste that in there at the front, starting your own blog hyphen, and then the text goes. So we've actually got the word starting your own blog right at the front. Now we've got starting your own blog, which is a keyword term, starting your own blog in there, and now we're going to go down to the SEO pack that we've got in. Now you could have this one, the Platinum SEO pack. You might have WordPress SEO or all-in-one SEO, whichever SEO pack we've got in there. We've got the same sort of things: titles, descriptions, meta tags, that sort of thing. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to type or copy the title, and we're going to paste it into the title here. We're then going to take some text from here, and we can copy that and we can paste it into the description here. Or alternatively, what we can do is write a description which describes exactly what this post is about. However, what we'll do is we'll start with that. Let me just copy the title again. So we've got that keyword in there, and we'll use that as the first words of the description. So starting your own blog, you could say is a simple process, and then carry on and write the rest of the description. This description that you're putting in, the title and description that you're putting in here, is what will actually be seen on the search engine results page. So what we want to have here, apart from having the keyword right at the beginning of the description, we want to have something which is almost like an advert. Maybe something like that. So we started off with starting your own blog is a simple process, and then we put the rest of it in, which is find out how you can start a successful blog from scratch which will grab the attention of your audience fast. So now it's almost like an advert for the blog. So if someone sees that on the actual search engine results page, they're going to go to it because it sounds so good. And what we can put into here, this keywords where it says comma separated, we can put things like blogging, start your own blog, and we can start looking at things like other keywords that are related to this. Maybe we can start putting in like build your own blog, make your own website, how to create a blog. I think that might be quite a good one to put in there. So we can just copy that and paste it in there. Just carry on and do a few more of those, and that will give you some sort of idea, or give Google some sort of idea of where you're going with it with the relational keywords. And that's it. It's really that simple. All we do now is we just update, view the post, and now we've got a blog post which is SEO friendly. We've done our back-end SEO, our search engine optimization, so now we've got something which is complete. All we need to do now is look at how we can actually put maybe some pictures in and things like that. So I'm going to do that in the next video.